Hey folks, I'm Dennis. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you an easier way to change the oil filter on your Husqvarna yard tractor using a milk jug trimmed down to catch the oil when it comes out of the oil filter so that it doesn't make such a mess on the frame of your tractor. So I had a couple of different viewers recommend using this method to keep from making such a mess on the tractor frame when you change the oil and take the oil filter out. I'm actually not sure about the rest of the world, but in the US we get milk in gallon plastic jugs like this. You could probably do this using a half-gallon jug also, but I usually have gallon jugs, so it's what I'm using. Water sometimes comes in these also. You take the gallon jug, cut it right below the bottom of the handle, looking at it, you know, like so. Just go right below the bottom of the handle and cut it just straight across. And then on the other side, you're going to cut it shaped like a scoop. And what I have found is to, on the opposite side of the handle, down here at the front bottom, just trim it just to where the curve starts. And that seems to work pretty well. It gives it enough rigidity to catch the oil and hold it, but it keeps it thin enough to get it up underneath the oil filter. So I'll show you how it works. So if you've watched my other oil change video, you'll know how to get to this oil filter, but this cowling goes here. You just pull the plastic rivet out of the bottom, slide it up, get it out of the way, and then here's your oil filter right below the fuel filter and the fuel line. You'll have to get this cable up out of your way. So all I do is, like I say, I pull these up out of my way. I get that jug. You got to make sure you clear the flange here on this oil filter, and there's room up underneath the mount for the oil filter where you can get this jug up underneath there. That way you'll catch all the oil. Just look on the side and make sure you're completely under it, like so. And then you can kind of pull that down, reach up in there and unscrew that filter, and then as you see, it's going to catch the oil. And just make sure you got your lid on there. Pull that off. And there you go. Now there's not so much oil in there that it won't stay. You can actually leave that there, get your new filter and spin it on. Now I'll get my new filter. I'll put some oil on the seal, put it on there, tighten it up. Then I'll slide that out, wipe it up, and everything's good to go. I don't get all the oil all over my frame like you do without this. It makes it nice and easy and a lot neater for sure. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you would, like my video, and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you back soon. Thank you very much, and may the Lord bless you.